It's just doing its thing, guys. This wig is doing what it is meant to do. What it was created to do, it is doing. And I'm happy about that.
Yeah. Weezy out of here. The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you guys can tell by the title and as you guys can see, I have some new hair, and basically in today's video I'm just going to be showing you how the hair came. We are going to be installing her and styling her together, and then in the end of the video I will let you guys know like a little quick review and thoughts, my opinions on the hair and everything like that. So I will leave timestamps down below just in case you're just interested on like how I styled the hair, how I installed it, how just my review or anything. So I will leave timestamps down below, so be sure to check the description box, and I'll also have just a little like summary of my review in the description box as well, and I'll also have the link and exact specs and information on this wig down below. So without further ado, we are just going to jump right into it. Check the description box for everything down below, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or concerns. We are just going to jump right into it. So this wig is from Alipearl hair. I have worked with them and I've worn their hair in the past. I will insert another photo of some hair that I've gotten from them. I believe that I got like another curly unit from them, and it was one of my favorite wigs for such a long time. I was like literally just wearing the wig straight for about a month or two, like just reinstalling it, taking it out, washing my hair, braiding it back up, reinstalling it over and over again. So I will say off the bat that Alipearl is a good hair company in terms of quality. Their wigs are really durable and do last throughout multiple installs and wearing them, washing them, and everything like that. And this hair is so nice. I did not add any product to this hair, and I just like wet it, but I've been like running my fingers through it, so that's why, you know, there's some frizz and body to it. This is their deep wave hair, and this is in a bob style. I did cut just like a few little layers just to add some more body to it because it is short. I wanted it to have like some shape. I'm still debating whether or not I want to like do a middle part and add like little bangs, so I might do that and either show you in this video or show you in another video. But I did just want to make this video just to show you guys the wig, tell you all about it, and show you how I installed it. So we're just gonna jump right into the unboxing and install. So this wig came in, again, this is from Alipearl, so it came in their pink and white box. It just opens up. The box was a little bit dented up from shipping, but nothing was damaged inside, so that was fine by me. It came with a pink little satin like dust bag that you can use to store your wig. They also included a little card that tells you how to care for your wigs, how to wash your wigs, and everything like that. They also included some wig caps and an elastic band, which is really nice because I ended up actually using this elastic band to install this wig. And then the wig came in a separate little plastic bag under everything. The wig had a hairnet around it and the like normal paper inside just to help it keep its shape. And this is a lace front wig, and then there's also some lace just in the back. Like, I guess, I mean, this hair is short, so you can't really put it up, but it just has a little bit of lace in the back as well. There are combs on each side and a comb in the back as well, and there are adjustable straps in the back as well. So the hair, as you can see, like the curls were super defined, but as soon as you run your fingers through them, they kind of just start getting more shape. They maintain the same curl pattern, but they're not so like all exactly the same and looking super wig-like, which I really love. And this hair is so soft. So as I mentioned, they included the elastic band, so I just went ahead and I measured from my ear to ear with the elastic band, and I cut it, and then I did go ahead and I just sewed this on to each side. I also tried the wig on before doing anything, and I noticed that the lace front was too long for me, meaning that when I put it on, the lace front went past my ears, so I just measured where my ear actually stops on the wig, and I did cut off the extra sides that I didn't need. So basically the lace came like past here, and I cut it back to here before I did sew on the elastic band, and then I just sewed the elastic band a little bit right before that. And I am gonna go ahead and glue down and sew down this wig, but the elastic band just helps it to lay so much flatter, and it makes it just easier to install everything else. So because I don't really have that much of a defined part, and it's kind of just like a flip over, more casual, effortless style, I didn't really feel the need to bleach the knots, but I will point out that they did not bleach the knots. So if that's something that you are interested in, you could go ahead and do that, or you would have to do that. So I do like to leave my hair out from ear to ear to just help it look a little bit more natural. And I have my hair like braided in cornrows back, and I did go ahead and put on the wig cap. So when it came to installing, I just wanted to see how the wig was gonna look. So I pulled it over the wig cap and just saw like how it was gonna lay and everything like that. So I did go ahead and use Ghost Bond glue, which is, I guess, technically a professional hair glue. It is much stronger than like Got2b. Like I mentioned, I did leave some of my hair out, and normally when I'm doing this, I braid up my leave out just so that I'm like not getting glue on it or anything. But because this wig is curly and similar to my own texture, I liked how my curls were like drying and how they basically formed, and I didn't want to like mess that up and then have to like wet them and redefine it. So I kind of just left my leave out, and I was just pushing it forward to be careful. But I just placed, I don't know if I recorded all of it, but I placed 3 layers of the Ghost Bond glue. I just dotted all around, and then I used something with like a smooth end to just kind of blend out the glue, and then I let it dry all the way to clear in between, and then I just applied another layer. So I did 3 layers. And then I went ahead and I pulled the lace forward, and I just kind of held it down, went like this with my nail to kind of like just set it into place, and then I went ahead and put on a scarf and let that sit for a while. I was in the process of like doing my makeup and getting ready, so I honestly probably let it sit for more than 10 to 15 minutes, but I would say to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes minimum. And then afterwards, I did go ahead and take off the scarf, and I did part about 1 inch behind the actual lace where it starts, and I did just sew from ear to ear with a curved needle just to reinforce it a little bit, because I find that when you just glue down the wig, sometimes the wig will like over, you know, a few days and everything will slowly start to like slide back a little bit, just even if it's glued down just the tiniest bit, because all the tension is on that point, so it's like pulling. But I feel like if you sew it down, then everything just stays locked a little bit more, and it relieves some of the tension just where it is glued down. And then to finish off styling it, I did go ahead and cut some layers into the hair. Not too much, but I just added some shorter layers because obviously my leave out was much shorter than the length of the wig. So I added some layers mostly around the face just to kind of help disguise that a little bit and to create more of like a natural shape of what curly hair would look like at this length. And then I also did go ahead and lay my baby hairs using the Got2b glue as always, just to finish it off. And I love how this looks. I really love this wig. I feel like it looks so natural, and it's so lightweight and easy. Also, I really cannot stress enough, but this hair is so soft. Like, it is just not like I was expecting at all. Like, when you look at it, I feel like you're not really expecting it to be that soft. I was like figuring out which way I wanted to part it also, because I had it parted this way and then I didn't really like it, and then I parted it this way and I keep running my fingers through it, so it's a little bit frizzy right now. I'm also debating whether or not I want to like do like a middle part and then add like some bangs kind of here. Like, I feel like that would be a cute style. So I'm probably gonna do that after this video, and I'll try to film it if I do. I'm gonna also show you quickly, I'm gonna wet the hair and show you how quickly the curls will come back. And they'll literally just like define themselves, which is really nice, because like I mentioned, I've been switching the part all around and I've created so much frizz, which I don't really mind. Like, I feel like natural curly hair, but as you guys can see, like the curls literally just like came back. But now my hair is a little wet. That's basically all I did to style this hair. I'm gonna quickly do like a little initial review. First, just overall on like company and packaging and everything like that, I would definitely say I really appreciate that Alipearl puts effort into their packaging and everything. They offered like the little satin dust bag to put the wig in after. They gave you like an elastic band, which was nice, wig caps, and then, you know, the normal standard packaging for the wig. But I just like when like companies actually pay attention to their packaging and like include free gifts that are relevant to what you're getting, you know what I mean? Like I much rather prefer an elastic band and things like that than just like a pair of eyelashes that I'm never gonna wear. Not throwing shade to any other company, but like I really do like appreciate when companies like give me the things that I actually need to install my wigs. So I do appreciate that. I will say the cap construction is really good. Like I mentioned, I've had a wig from them in the past and I definitely like wore it so much. Like I constantly was like gluing it down, taking it off, washing it, re-gluing it down, taking it off, washing it. And I can tell just by looking at this wig too, like the lace is soft, but it's also sturdy, and it's lace that you'll be able to reinstall if you need to. Again, the hair is so soft and it is good quality like I showed. I love that it's curly hair, and if you fluff it up it does get big and it can get a little bit frizzy, which I love because it looks much more natural. But I also like that as soon as you add water to it, the curls instantly pop back up and define, so you don't really need to put too much product. You're not going to have too much buildup, but if you wanted to, you obviously could, just to define the curls. I also think this is like a versatile style. Even though it is just like a little bob, you could flip the hair over like I showed. You could do like middle part. I also like think the hair is long enough to like if you wanted to do like a little half up half down situation. So I really like just the overall style and hair quality on this wig. I think it's really cute. It's perfect for summer, and it's really just low maintenance and easy for like a beginner or someone who just wants like an everyday good summer wig. I feel like this is definitely her. She's so cute. I just like love the texture also of this hair. Like this is the part that I just wet to like define a little bit more, but it's just so nice and it's so soft. Like I know like it kind of just doesn't mean anything that I'm sitting here telling you it's so soft, but I really wish you could feel this hair. Like I literally had my mom fill it like a little while ago. I'm like, Mom, please feel this hair because I feel like, am I like going crazy? Like this hair is so soft. And she was like, oh wow, yeah, like I was not expecting that. But yeah, this hair is really, really soft and I really, really appreciate that. I don't really know why, it just keeps making me play with the hair, but it's nice. I can't really speak on shedding. I don't really know if I'm getting shedding because I did install this wig yesterday, and like I mentioned, I cut layers into it, and then I also cut more layers into it today. So even with that being said, I'm not really getting too much shedding, but if I am, it's probably because of like all the cutting I'm doing. So I'll probably, whenever this video goes up, I'll leave a clear update in the bottom in the description box, like if I'm having an issue with shedding or anything. And I'm obviously not having an issue with tangling because one, it's curly and I'm not like running my fingers through it, but also this hair is so soft, so it is like not tangling at all. It's just doing its thing, guys. This wig is doing what it is meant to do. What it was created to do, it is doing, and I'm happy about that. I don't really know what else to say. Like I actually don't really have any negative things to say or any concerns about the hair that like you should have if you're buying it. I really don't think, like it's basically exactly what it's sold to be, if not better, and I'm really, really happy with it, and I definitely would recommend this. Again, I'd recommend this to someone who either never has like had a wig before or is looking to wear a wig, or someone who is just looking for a good summer wig. I feel like this is like a perfect style. It's so low maintenance and it's perfect for summer, and I feel like it would honestly just look really cute on anybody. I love, guys, I'm just obsessed with this style, and I'm just like, mad cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. I love it. I really don't have any negative things to say. Moral of the story. I could keep complimenting this hair all day, but so I think that's about it, guys. This hair was really easy to style and install. Again, I just installed it yesterday, but I've been loving it ever since, and I will keep you guys updated. But I feel like that's literally all that I have to say and to share with you guys, because I honestly will probably just keep rambling about how cute I think this wig is. So I'm probably just gonna end the video here. Again, I will list the exact specs on this wig because I'm not sure if it was 12 or 14 inches. So I will list the exact specs on this wig in the description box down below, and I'll also leave the link to it if you're interested, and then I will leave a little summary, a clear summary of my like pros and cons of the wig also down below. If you have any other questions or concerns, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. And if you guys are interested in staying connected with me even more, you guys can follow me on Instagram, which I'll have linked down below, but it's the same as my name on here, which is Ariana.Ava, all together. But yeah, guys, I feel like that's it. I feel like maybe this video was long, but I feel like it was quick. This hair is just really easy, low maintenance, and really beautiful. I'm gonna spin around one more time, let you guys see. I just really like this like length and this style. I think it's so cute and so flattering. But yeah, guys, I'm just keep saying the same thing at this point. So I love you guys so much. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.